Unitree is very famous, particularly in China. It's got a booth here. Let's go and check the latest products being displayed. That equipment is for rescue. Yeah, it can help us enter the dangerous zones to rescue. Release the water in the fire, I think. It's very modern to have some kind of machines and equipment like this. We can directly call it the robotic dogs. Check them here. So that one is for fire rescue. Okay, that one's working. It's coming out. It's quite smart. It's pretty smart. Okay, there's a remote control. And it can be sent to a certain zone, a certain place to work. It looks pretty sturdy. And it can save our lives when we work in a certain place. Where is it going? Ah. Is it returning? Hopefully it will be returned. Ah. Yeah, it's going back.